1. You are creative and always have ideas. Successful millionaires are mostly very creative and spend a lot of time exploring new ideas. When people see a problem, they are thinking of a solution. They create images in their minds of how to get things done. They dwell a lot on ideas and spend quite a lot of time thinking of their ideas. This is why they create products and big ideas. Regular people may be thinking of going to the cinema to enjoy a movie. The millionaires are the owners of the cinemas. Regular people think of buying a car, but millionaires own the car companies. Because they think and develop ideas on what people will need and then go ahead to provide it. Ideas and creativity run the world. 2. You have many channels of income. Most people who become millionaires do not put all their eggs in one basket. They develop different streams of income. While they go to their regular work, they also have different side hustles that bring extra income. They never rely on one stream of income. Creating different means of income is very important to them. 3. If you are persistent. While starting something and giving up when a little challenge surfaces is very common among people who become millionaires are very persistent. Rich people hardly give up because of defeat, they always try to find a way to get to what they want. If one way is not working, they try another way until they find the right way. 4. You are not afraid of calculated risks. Millionaires are never afraid of taking risks. While others are afraid of taking risks and remaining in their comfort zone, millionaires evaluate the risk and go for it if it is worth it. Please know that millionaires do not take blind risks, they educate themselves, research and understand the risk before going for it. 5. You aim high. Millionaires dream big. They never look down on themselves, they think big, dream big and aim high. What you aim for determines what you are motivated to go for. 6. You love investing. The most reliable and proven way to be super rich is to invest. Millionaires understand this so well. They research valuable ideas, projects, and businesses to invest in. While people save money to buy cars and luxuries, the millionaire-minded person saves money to invest. They have investment goals. Save a portion of their monthly income until it is up to a particular amount to invest. 7. You have goals and are very decisive. Rich people have goals. They set short-term and long-term goals. They have goals for their money. They don't just spend, they spend with goals in mind. Millionaires are very decisive. Taking decisions at the right time is very important. Being decisive is a sign that they know what they want. Indecision can be costly and rich people know this. 8. You read a lot and you are open-minded. Millionaires read a lot. Information is key and reading gets you information. When you visit a rich person, what you will notice are books. Millionaires also keep open minds. They are open to new ideas, new opportunities, and new directions. They don't keep closed minds.